So in les articles contractés, there are two prepositions. First preposition is a preposition. Okay, so when you add a to definite article, that gives you the contracted article, like the first one. A plus le gives you au. This is used with all the masculine nouns. And au means at the, to the, or in the. Then next is ala. So ala means used with feminine nouns. A, la. A, le, aux. So a plus le gives you aux, which is used with plural nouns. Next is a plus l apostrophe. Now this is used with vowel starting nouns. Okay, for example, je vais au cinéma. So this means I go to the cinema. Now in place of cinema, let's say if there is bibliothèque, then your au changes to ala. Since cinema is a masculine place, it's a masculine noun. That's why we are using o with it. Je vais au cinéma. But if I want to say I'm going to bibliothèque, I will say je vais à la bibliothèque, because bibliothèque is a female place, female noun, right? Feminine noun. Next, il donne la pomme à la fille. So he gives apple to the girl. Tu donnes les bonbons à l'enfant. You give candies to the kid. So l'enfant, if we are talking about any noun which starts with a vowel, like here enfant, then you have to put a l apostrophe. Now doesn't matter if it is a feminine or a masculine noun. Let's say if this enfant was a plural one, then yes, now you can put aux in front. Aux enfants, like this. Okay? So this is the rule. If the noun is plural, then you first look at it. If it is plural, then you put aux. If it is not plural and starts with a vowel, then you can simply put a l apostrophe. No need to think about the gender. Okay? So that's how a preposition works with definite article and makes contracted article. Now another preposition. So another preposition is the preposition. Now the means of, from, and about. Like the plus le. So when we add the with definite article, it gives us du. This is used with masculine nouns. Now the plus la. This is used with feminine nouns, de la. And the plus le. This gives you des and used with plural nouns. The plus l apostrophe gives you the l apostrophe, and it is used with only vowel starting nouns. Okay. Now what is the meaning? The meaning here is going to be of the, from the, or about the. Par exemple, le chapeau de l'homme, which means the hat of the man. Il vient du parc. He comes from the park. Il y a la robe de la fille. So there is the dress of the girl. So the dress that belongs to the girl. Les voitures noires sont des femmes. So the black cars, they belong to the ladies. So here in the preposition, we are telling the possession, the belonging, that these things, they belong to this particular person, right? Or somebody is coming back from some place, like vient du parc, il vient du parc, right? Okay, so that's how, this is the difference between a and the. So a preposition, so contracted article with a preposition like au, a la, aux, and a l apostrophe. This is used with certain verbs like, aller, donner, parler, because when I say I am going, then I'm going to a certain place. When I say I'm giving something to somebody. When I say I'm speaking to somebody. So that's how it is used with these particular verbs. most of the times. On the other hand, the is used with directly after the noun, like you see, le chapeau, the hat. The hat belongs to the man after the noun, and then with the verb venir. Il vient du parc. He comes from the park. Or il y a, like there is dress, because again il y a you can add to any noun. You can add il y a before any noun. You can say il y a la robe, like here on screen, right? Il y a la robe de la fille. There is a dress of the girl. Again telling you the possession, right? Understand this? Okay. Alright, now let us do the exercise that is there in your lesson number 3. Okay, so there are 2 exercises that you have to do. This one I'll just tell you. So page number 36, exercise 5. Remplis les blancs avec a, au, à l'apostrophe, à la, and aux. And exercise number 6. Remplis les blancs avec de, du, de l'apostrophe, de la, and des. Okay? You please do this and then we'll check.